guys, trail running is a great way to get outside and enjoy nature. Here are a few tips to keep in mind as you get started. As compared to road running, use shorter strides. This helps keep your feet underneath you to maintain balance on variable terrain. Keep your eyes on the trail. Yes, part of trail running is getting outside and enjoying nature, but even more important is staying safe and avoiding falls. Learn to use your peripheral senses to enjoy what you are running through while keeping your eyes on the trail. You should consistently scan the trail 10 to 15 feet ahead to give yourself enough time to adjust for upcoming obstacles, such as roots and large rocks. When running both up and down hills, shorten your stride even more while keeping the same cadence or pace. This is like using the lowest gear on a mountain bike. This will help save wear and tear on your hamstrings. Avoid leaning forward while running up hills, as this can limit your breathing. And avoid leaning back running downhill, as this can strain your body and lead to more injuries. Super steep hills? They will happen. Give yourself permission to walk both up and downhill until you build the fitness to tackle them properly. In general, be aware of what your arms are doing. They should easily swing forward and back at your sides without any chicken winging. Even as a beginner, being as streamlined as possible is a good idea. Finally, make sure you have what you need as far as equipment for the trail system you are running on. This includes being able to navigate confidently, knowing the rules of the trail you are on, a water bottle, proper running shoes, and possibly a small first aid kit. If running alone, make sure someone knows where you are running and at what time you should be back. Have fun and enjoy your new adventures in trail running.